right, now I'll show you how to make double loops. We did the double triangles. Here's how you can make double loops. So if you take your 4-inch piece and cut it in half, that will give you 1 inch. And you can take the color and the contrast color, lay that on top. Again, these are 4-inch pieces, 2 inch, 1 inch. And staple, so you staple both pieces. And I take a silver piece or gray or whatever color, white, black, purple, whatever you want. Put that in the middle. And then you can also add some sparkle, because you know I like my sparkle. So let's just put some sparkle on it. You can never have too much sparkle. And we're gonna put that this guy there. Okay, now you can have a sparkle. We can do the opposite, so we can take the navy piece, put the other blue on the side. And you can also take this and fold it in to make a smushy triangle or smushy loop if you want. I like loops flat. But if you need to squish it in some space, you can do that too. So then you have double loops to go with your double triangles, and you could layer these on top of each other and make a checkerboard. You can put them on top of triangles. You could put them in between the triangles. You could add a double triangle. Put the other triangles on the other side, like the mountains that I've done before. These aren't glued down, so they're going everywhere. But there's other ways you can use these. Double triangles, double loops.